Hello and welcome, I'm Lindsay. Today we're making brownies, peanut butter cup stuffed brownies. Here's all the ingredients you need to make these delicious gluten-free peanut butter cup brownies. In a pot over medium-low heat, add 1/3 of a cup of butter. Once melted, add 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. Give it a stir until all the chocolate is melted. Remove the pot from the heat and add 1 cup of sugar. Stir until the sugar is fully mixed in, then add 2 eggs. Mix until the eggs are fully incorporated. Now, in a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Mix until the coffee is dissolved. Then add it to the batter. Stir until the coffee is fully mixed in. Then add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now we'll add 3/4 of a cup of gluten-free flour mix. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Continue to mix until fully combined. Now it's time to take off the wrapper of 9 peanut butter cups. Then pour half of the batter into a parchment paper lined 8x8 baking pan. Use a spoon or a spatula to spread the batter evenly along the bottom of the pan. Then we'll press in 9 peanut butter cups in 3 rows of 3. Cover with the remaining brownie batter. Then use the spoon to evenly spread it out. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Let the brownies cool completely before cutting into them. And there you have it, gluten-free peanut butter cup stuffed brownies. Enjoy! Get the full printable recipe in the description below or at officiallyglutenfree.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.